Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the quiet, quirky letter Q. Let's say it together. Q. Q. Meet Quincy the Quokka. He's quick, quirky, and loves quiet naps. He lives in a quaint cottage near the Queen's garden. One quiet morning, Quincy had a curious idea. I'll find the quietest quilt in all of Alphabet Land. He packed his quest map and tiptoed off with a hum.
Quincy met a queen with quince tea so sweet. A quail with a quill wrote words neat and neat. A squirrel stitched a quilt with glitter so bright. The quest for Q is quite a delight.
Finally, Quincy reached the quilt cave. Inside was the softest, quietest quilt ever stitched. It whispered, Q is for quokka, quilt, and quest. What a quaint and quiet quest! Quincy the Quokka showed us how curious the letter Q can be. Can you think of more Q words? Let's keep exploring.